What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Drinking some lemonade because it's a little hot, a little cold, you know, but lemonade is always good in any climate. Today we got a upper control arm that I'm going to replace on the Infinity G35. It has a crazy sound. I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like and then show you guys how to change it. Let's get it. All right, folks. So take the tire off, obviously. I hope you guys know how to take tires off if you're watching me. This upper control arm here, this is the problem. Let me see if you guys can hear it. It's very faint, but when you drive it, I hear a bunch of noise on this side, and this is the only thing that it could be. I replaced everything else. This arm, lower control arm, all kinds of stuff. So let's look at it. It's 3 bolts. You got one here, and one here. I'm gonna take this one off first and hit this so that this can pop out. You hit it with the hammer or something like that. Well, there's a tool that you can use also. I have it here. It's this ball joint tool. You can get this from Amazon or wherever. Fit that on there, and that also pops it off. Okay, so you can use this tool, you can use a hammer, anything to get this out of here once you take this ball off and this little clip. All right, so I'm gonna do that now. I'll show you guys when I'm done. We're gonna hit it with the 17 air gun. Nice and easy. Sometimes you're lucky and it just, nope, hell no. Heck no, that shit is not popping off. Let me see if I can hit it with the hammer while you guys are watching. I was gonna do it without y'all watching, but let me see. Ah, look at that. Nice and easy. Okay, took that one off. Reuse this, okay? If you could take that off, or the one that they give you, right? Measure it. Just make sure it fits flush. That little cone is very important. So if this doesn't fit flush, you see how it fits a little bit standing up? Does that make sense? You see how it's not flush in there? If this one is flush, use the original cone, okay? Very important. Do not put this together with this thing not sitting in there flush. So I'm gonna take this one off and let's compare it to see how flush it is to this. Once you loosen up that one, hit this with the 14. Yeah. Ooh, that was tight. Now with a 14, loosen that up. I'm gonna loosen this side. 14, here we go. Oh, that's the wrong way, Frank. You gotta go left. Oh, okay, so she's out. That was really easy. These bolts will come out, okay? Don't be a little softy, just pull it out. It's gonna be a little tight, but it'll come out, and this side will come out too, okay? You have space to do it. Don't be scared to pull them bolts out. They come out. All right, so here, I'm just comparing it. Looks the same to me. Well, fuck it, it's gonna go right back in there. I'm just gonna pop it in here. Okay, put the bolts so to hold it in place. It also has these little rubber things, man. I don't know what much they do, but they do something. So we're gonna put the new ones that comes with it, because why not? Why not? One there, and here goes one there. I'm gonna put this thing up there, put the bolts to hold it in place, and then I'll show you guys how to set that up. But I think it's, man, you guys, it's pretty self-explanatory type, but Fran's gonna help you, don't worry. All right, guys, so if this thing is being a pain to get off, you gotta heat it up, okay? I want the original cone. This little thing right here, I need the original one, okay? Why? Because I want mine to fit nice and flush in here, okay? The one that comes from AutoZone or wherever you get it from is not going to, you see how it doesn't sit flush? Now watch when I show you the original one. I want it flush, okay? Damn it, I want it flush. OEM as possible. See that, guys? See, so you heat it to death. You almost heat it up to death, and then you can get it off. See, it's all nice and hot. Heat it up, and then I just yanked it off with one of these. Just do boop, and that joint just came right off. So it's very hot. I'm gonna show you in a second how, you know, what it looks like and why I want this one compared to the aftermarket one. Okay, guys, so I had to cool this thing down. This is the one that was originally on there. I think someone changed it already. I guess it sits a little bit better than the other one. Not really. But try to get it as OEM as possible, okay? Some of these things just look very out of place. Like some of them are like really tall and they don't fit properly. So as long as it, you know, I guess I'll have to live with this, okay? Like I said, so the bolts are in place. It's holding it there, right? All right, guys. Once you install the new upper control arm and everything is loose, okay? So you put it in there, you put the bolts, you know, you just put them in there a little bit so that way it doesn't fall out. You don't want to tighten these yet, okay? You don't want to tighten these yet. Tighten this bolt first, okay? Push it down. Make sure you have your little donut in there, okay? Tighten this bolt really good, like a grown man. And then you're gonna tighten these two on the ends, okay? Tighten those really strong. I don't know what the torque specs are. You guys have Google and technology, so figure that out. I tightened it, you know, nice and snug, and I have the torque in my hand. I've been doing this for so long. I know just as much torque as it needs. But don't listen to me, okay? Please go and follow the torque specs, all right? So put this bolt in first, leave these loose. After you tighten this one, then you want to go ahead and tighten these, okay? So there you go. Man, if you like the video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, we're gonna keep going now. I'm pushing, I'm dedicated. I got that YouTube bug in me now. A good bug, not a bad whatever. Anyways, share this video with somebody that might it might help, okay? So go ahead. See you guys, see y'all in the next one. Peace.